All right, let's see here. All right, well, today we are going to realign the Comet a little bit, and then we're going to get the front end of this as high into the air as we can so we can get under here and start welding. Now, I cannot find my welding jacket, but I found an old FR shirt from the smelting plant I used to work at quite a few years ago. So we'll give that a shot and see how well that works. Okay. Gotta clean up this mess that we made last time we were out here. And get some things put away so we know what's what. And then we can start getting down to it. Oh, I forgot. Gotta move this extension cord. Moved. All right. I'm just gonna push this back a little bit. A little bit more. There should be enough room. Wish I had the other two for the front here, but that should work. Okay. Anxious to get these last few things here buttoned up so we can actually dig into the fun stuff here. Oh, who am I kidding? Welding's fun. But the more fun stuff, I really want to get on this this motor. So we got to hurry up and do the welding and then the steering, and then we can do motor. Come on. There we go. Gotta get this thing as high up as we can. There we go. All right, so this is what we've got going on. Everything's set up. I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and bring you into the car with me. I'm gonna pull that drive line so it's out of our way. And I'm actually really glad that I went ahead and decided to do this, because when I scrapped these floors in as jankily as I did, I forgot we have some underfloor molding to be tapped back up around the edges of what I put in so it all form fits, and then re-weld those seams all the way around. Okay. Well, at least they're not froze on here, so that's pretty good. I feel like I'm tightening. Might be. Yeah, I think I am. Yep. Every time I get upside down, I forget what I'm doing. Oh, interesting. Okay, maybe I was right the first time. Oh, come on. Don't start stripping on me now. There we go. I could take a nap under here, you know? It's kind of peaceful. Got something to hug. Great, just throw dirt right in your face. That's healthy. It's good for the immune system. There's one. There's two. Now you're gonna come out nice? No? Okay. I got something for that. Say hello to my little friend. If I can figure out how to hold it, it's gonna hit me right in the face. Oh. There she is. Nice. Okay. I'll just put these back so I don't lose them. Last one. I've never seen that before. We got a bump stop here for the little pumpkin. Interesting. Ugh. Okay. Now, I want to show you my welds in good faith that you won't laugh. All right? Deal? Yep. Pretty bad. Got a lot of dangles. That's all right. Got some more gaps to fill. I've got a copper spoon ordered, but well, it's supposed to be here today. No, it won't be here till Wednesday. There's a good example right there. See what I mean? Definitely gotta take care of that. Okay, well, you can see we got this pretty well cleaned up. I know I've got some cutting to do here and obviously up here. Get rid of a bunch of this junk and I'll get in there and trim the top from the inside, and then I'll just hack this off and reattach it. It is really not beautiful. Someday when I restore this car properly, I will be putting a whole new complete floor in this. But for the moment, this is gonna have to do. And yeah, we got most of all the junk knocked off of it. This one looks pretty good. Yeah. So I think on that note, I'm gonna go get the welder fired up and move you guys And I'm just gonna start stitching probably, I think back here is where I'm gonna be doing most of this. Get all this tacked up and figure out something to do with that hole and get everything kind of beat into place. And yeah, I think that'll be a good start. All right, I think you can see pretty good from there, hopefully. I wore out my my last grinding disc, so I can't really do much about this yet, but we'll do these all the way through, and this one, maybe some up into the tunnel. We'll see. I just gotta see first how far we can make it. Okay. And see if this is even gonna work very well. I don't know. Sorry to sucker punch you like that. Let's just see if we can get some spark out of this ground. I'm not putting money on it. Oh, maybe. I'll give it a shot. Really wish I had that copper spoon already. It'd be really handy right now. Okay. Can you see there? Maybe, hopefully, at least a little bit. All right. All right. Well, so we've got everything I want to do done here for the moment, at least for tonight, till I get that copper spoon and can get some of these bigger ones and fill them in a little bit better. This, I still got to figure out what I'm going to do. Well, actually, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to get my cutoff wheel, come clean that up, and just re-weld it all back shut. And probably gusset it a little bit. We got some welding up here done. As you can see, got a lot of that stitched in pretty good. Turned out pretty decent. Oh, dang. So, oh yeah. So we've got, I don't know how well you can see this. There we go. Got all that done and cleaned up. And this side is all pretty well done. I've got a little bit more to go, not a lot. And up here, all our way around, I think what we're gonna finish off with tonight, just button this right here and this right here. I'm wearing this handy dandy little welder's cap because I'm tired of setting my hair on fire, but it does like to kick the helmet off a lot, so I don't know. It's like Roadkill says, don't do it or don't get it right, just get it running. That's what we're trying to do here. What kind of Mickey Mouse operation is this? Ah, there goes the helmet again. Okay. I know you're not supposed to do this. Alright. Let's see. Oh man. What in the... It's like trying to learn the tango. I can't see nothing. Well, I really hope you guys can still see. I'm too tangled up to move you. And I'm almost done, at least for what we're doing tonight. Alright, I think I forgot one piece right here. Yep, I did. Where are we at? Okay. Yep, right here. Gotcha. Okay, if I can not burn my face. There we go. There you have it. It's not beautiful by any means. I am not a professional at welding on my back. Oh, come on. My glove got caught. There. Not too bad. It's all stitched up. So, next thing to do is fill that obvious hole. And then yeah, just keep going. Hopefully I'll have some more time next weekend. Well, we'll see. I'm supposed to be going to get a bunch of wood. But we'll see. Because we need to do all of this all the way down, across, cut this out, fix that, and then start on the other side. All in all, it's not a ton, but it's enough. Excuse me. Whew. All right. Well, now that I can breathe, that's it for this weekend. So it's kind of a boring video again, but it's welding. What are you gonna do? It needs to be done. So 1, maybe 2. Hey, I just got a free toy. Can you see that? Right on. I always need another screwdriver. Anyways, one more video of welding, hopefully only one. And I'm really hoping to be in here 2 days next week and really get this thing knocked out. That's the plan, at least. And on that note, I'm gonna go see my kids and have a cold snack. Have a good night, guys. We will catch y'all next week. By the way, please like and subscribe. It'd really help out a lot to grow this channel up so that we can start doing some more exciting stuff. See you next week.